I'm going to help you pick the best gadgets for your smart home that fit your lifestyle perfectly, and it's easier than you think. The concept of a smart home has been gaining popularity among homeowners and tech enthusiasts alike, and it's easy to see why. With the ability to control and automate various aspects of your home, you can enjoy a more convenient, secure, and energy-efficient living space. The advancements in smart home technology have been rapidly evolving over the years, transforming the way we live and interact with our homes. From voice-controlled assistants to automated lighting systems, these innovations have made a significant impact on our daily lives, allowing us to save time, reduce energy consumption, and stay connected with our loved ones. When it comes to building your smart home starter pack, there are a few essential components you should consider. Smart speakers are a great place to start, as they can control and connect various devices throughout your home. These speakers can play music, set reminders, and even order groceries online, making them a central hub for your smart home. Smart lighting is another crucial component, enabling you to adjust the ambiance and brightness of your home with just a few taps on your smartphone. You can schedule your lights to turn on and off, dim them, or even change their color to match your mood. This level of control not only enhances your home's aesthetic but also helps reduce energy waste. Security cameras are also a vital part of any smart home starter pack, providing you with an added layer of protection and peace of mind. With features like motion detection, night vision, and real-time alerts, you can keep a watchful eye on your home and loved ones, whether you're at work or on vacation. Many security cameras also come with cloud storage, allowing you to review footage and identify potential threats. Smart thermostats are another key component, helping you optimize your home's temperature and energy consumption. By learning your schedule and preferences, these thermostats can automatically adjust the temperature, ensuring you stay comfortable while saving on your energy bills. Some smart thermostats even integrate with other devices, such as lights and security cameras, to create a seamless and connected experience. The Amazon Echo is a popular smart speaker that has received rave reviews from users, who praise its ease of use and seamless integration with other smart devices. For example, you can use the Echo to control your Philips Hue smart lights, adjusting the brightness and color to create the perfect ambiance for a movie night. Many users have reported a significant reduction in energy consumption after installing smart thermostats like the Nest Learning Thermostat, which can learn your schedule and preferences to optimize your home's temperature. This not only saves you money on your energy bills but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. The Ring Stick-Up Cam is a versatile security camera that can be placed indoors or outdoors, providing you with a clear view of your home and surroundings. Users have praised its motion detection feature, which sends alerts to your smartphone whenever it detects suspicious activity. This feature has been particularly useful for homeowners who want to keep an eye on their property while they're away. Clips of the August Smart Lock in action show how easily you can grant access to guests or service providers, all from the convenience of your smartphone. This feature has been a game changer for homeowners who frequently have visitors or need to let in maintenance workers. With the August Smart Lock, you can rest assured that your home is secure and that you're always in control. Some people might be concerned about the privacy issues surrounding smart home technology, or worry that these devices are too complex to use. However, many smart home devices come with robust security features, such as encryption and two-factor authentication, to protect your personal data. Additionally, most devices are designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring intuitive interfaces and step-by-step setup guides. In conclusion, having a smart home starter pack can greatly enhance your living experience, providing you with a more convenient, secure, and energy-efficient home. By incorporating essential components like smart speakers, smart lighting, security cameras, and smart thermostats, you can create a connected and seamless experience that fits your lifestyle perfectly. If you're excited about building your own smart home starter pack, be sure to share your thoughts on your favorite smart home devices in the comments below. Alternatively, if you're looking to take your smart home to the next level, check out our other video on advanced smart home setups, where we explore more complex integrations and automation scenarios.